Hi, and welcome to the video on how to create events on your Connect TCC student organization profile. So as you can see below, here on our virtual corkboard, there are flyers about upcoming events here at Tallahassee Community College. This is an easy way and a different venue for you to get information out about what is going on with your organization. So to do so, you go to your organizations page. You can do so through my involvements, and I want to post an event for the Eagle Club. So you go to your profiles page, click on events in the left menu, and you create an event. So the first step is to come up with a name for your event. Select the date and time, and add a location. To note, if you're planning an event in the student union, some options will pop up for you to use. If you want to use it elsewhere on campus, you can type that in as well, or if it's off campus, you can use that location. But the automatic ones that we have right now are in the student union. And if it is off campus, you can include an address and a map as to how to get there. Provide a brief description of your event. And then also an option to upload a flyer. So you choose your file, select your flyer, and once it uploads, you can decide who you want to show this to. You can show it to only people who have TCC campus emails by invitation only. So let's say you want only exclusive people to come to your event. And then finally, the last two, your organization, and then also the public. So we want this to be a campus-only event. Who can RSVP? No one, anyone, only invites. So depending on who you want it to show to, you can decide how you want people to RSVP. Select your category. This is a social event. Maximum number of RSVP spots. So let's say you only wanted 25 people at your event. You could say the first 25 people who RSVP get to come to my event. You would fill that number in there, select next. And this is for additional information. So the name of the event coordinator and contact information. So then that way, the involvement coordinator, if she has any questions, can contact you. The date of your event. If there's a specific time you want your event set up, so let's say I want the ballroom to be set up at 3 p.m., the number of attendees, we're going to guess. This can be an exact number that you know or a prediction, so I'm going to assume that 100 people are going to come to my event. Setup style, if you're having, depending on the event you're having, you might want a different setup. You click on that to see your seating options. There's theater, classroom, hollow square, boardroom, U-shaped, or cafe. For my event, I want cafe. There's also an other option. So then that way, let's say I want a different setup. And then you can also provide more detailed description of the event. So let's say attendees will get free food and play games, and they will also meet the basketball team. For example, if there are any special requests or instructions or needs that you have, so let's say for example, I wanted to announce who was at the event, so I could select audio visual. If I wanted a projector or tent, you can put down your requests. If you need a certain number of tables, you can put those there as well. Select next. And you're done. So this will be submitted to the involvement coordinator to review and approve. And once that is done, your flyer that you submitted will show up on that virtual corkboard that we saw at the beginning. Hit submit. And then once it's approved, you can see all the details and information. It has a countdown to your event, as well as if you want to create flyers, you can copy and paste this QR code so that students with a QR scanner can also see the flyer this way. If you scroll down, attendees can RSVP here below, and you can see if anyone from the community outside of TCC has RSVP'd as well. And that's how you create an event. If you have any questions, please contact the involvement coordinator or stop by the SLICE office in the student union. Thank you.